Whenever we visit a crowded place, we feel uncomfortable. We feel as if we are getting squashed. We feel suffocated, claustrophobic. And why does it happen? Even if nobody's touching, still I feel very uncomfortable in a crowded place. So what's going wrong here? Our fifth element, space. We often feel that our body is limited to the physical matter, and hence we don't pay much attention to what's going on around us. We realize the relevance of space when it gets invaded. So what is the role of this space? And where does it exist in physical body? In physical body, it exists in my arteries, vein. That is why the blood is being able to flow in my nostrils. So this is very gross space. That's why I'm able to breathe. Now how about the subtle body? So subtle body is the space around me, which I don't notice, but I can feel that. Think about as if you are a genie trapped in a small bottle. Now you can see the bottle, but you don't see the genie inside, right? Only when it's released you can see the size of the genie. In a very in a very similar way, that's how we also exist. We are space. Okay, that sounds very unscientific and very philosophical, so let's just keep that aside, that who we are. Let's only understand what is that we feel. All right, so let's say you are sleeping in a room, eyes closed, you don't even know who is around you, but if somebody just stands behind you or besides your head, you would feel uncomfortable, right? Or you would feel that something is bothering you. And what is that is something getting bothered? It is the space, because even if we are asleep, we are quite aware of our space, because that's us. And what is the role of this space? Basically, as we all understand, that human body is an organic electromagnetic field. What does it mean? It only means that everything that I'm doing is because of the current inside my body, right? This movement, my talking, everything is happening because there is electricity inside me. This is very different from the electricity that we see in our, let's say, gadgets and device. It's a very pure, refined form of an electricity that this universe, that is present in this universe, that's also present in us and in all the species. All right, so what is the role of this electricity, and how does it impact the space around us? So let's take one example. You are sitting in a meeting room and not talking to other colleagues. You're waiting for the meeting to start. Suddenly there's somebody who enters the room very, very stressed, not saying anything to you, but you would feel some change in the energy, right, of the room. You will feel little uncomfortable, or if you pay attention, you will even start to get those vibes which will impact your own vibes. So that is the role of the space that we carry around us. And how it gets impacted? It gets impacted by the chakras inside our body. Let's say you don't believe in chakra, that's also fine. Think about the emotions that we have, right? We all have emotions. That is pure science, right? So these emotions generate some energy, and this energy now becomes part of the space that we carry. And this energy can deplete and also can elevate the environment. It can really bring happiness in a room or bring sadness in the room. So this is the role or the unseen influence of this space. Now let's understand how this space gets impacted and what we can do to always elevate the space. Just to give a perspective, our space, which is the pure organic electric field, gets elevated or enhanced when we are close to nature. So you would have experienced a difference when you go to a mountain and just stand on the top of the mountain. You would feel as if you are expanding. But if you are just inside a basement, right, and cramped, you would feel as if something is squashing you or squeezing you. Now this is a very gross way of understanding our space, but how it gets impacted, by electromagnetic field around us. And often people have this habit of wearing all sorts of gadgets, Bluetooth speaker or Fitbit, or I don't even know which are the current gadgets, but then they are like as if they are walking electromagnetic field, inorganic electromagnetic field. So definitely the radiations from these gadgets that impact us really badly, and which we don't realize. So get rid of all the electromagnetic, or at least try as much as possible. Cell phone is the most dangerous one. If you are using cell phone, keep it at a distance. Use earphone without Bluetooth, with wired if it is a distance, or use loudspeaker. But try and keep cell phone as much as away from your body. And when you're sleeping, so let's say you're sleeping for 8 hours, around your when we sleep, our aura also expands. In other words, our electromagnetic field also expands, and this is the time we are not moving, and if there is any disturbance, it will also impact us. So keep all your cell phones, all electronic gadgets away from your bed, and try and keep your phone on flight mode when you're sleeping, at least not in the same room. So there are a lot of measures that we can take. So for example, switch off Wi-Fi when you are not using, especially in the night. So imagine if Wi-Fi can penetrate walls, what it can do to human body. It can always penetrate through our skull, our entire body. Similarly, cell phone radiations can penetrate through skull. So there are very harmful electromagnetic devices, especially the ones which are interacting, which are like transmitting some signals. And the microwave is another example of such radiating very harmful waves. Now this is these are some measures that we can take. Other thing that we can do to enhance our space is by spending time with nature. And even if you are at work, have little space around yourself. Not sit very close to your buddies, because you will start sharing their energy. And this is such pure energy that if it is beautiful, it will help you, but if it is negative, it will definitely impact you adversely. I hope you become mindful of the space around you, get rid of clutter, and get rid of as much as possible all the inorganic electromagnetic field. Thank you.